Understanding the morning star candlestick pattern. Welcome to our lesson on the morning star pattern, a candlestick formation that plays a vital role in signaling trend reversals. Comprehensive overview of the morning star pattern. Let's start with a comprehensive overview of the morning star pattern. It consists of 3 candles, a bearish candle, followed by a small bullish or bearish candle with a gap, and then a strong bullish candle. This pattern signifies a potential reversal from a downtrend to an uptrend. The small middle candle, often referred to as the star, is crucial. It shows indecision in the market, creating a gap between the first and third candles. Role in signaling trend reversals. Now, let's explore why the morning star pattern is significant in signaling trend reversals. This pattern typically appears after a sustained downtrend, indicating a potential reversal. The small star candle represents a moment of uncertainty, followed by the strong bullish candle, which suggests a shift in market sentiment from bearish to bullish. The morning star pattern implies that buyers are gaining control, potentially leading to a trend reversal. Analysis of historical charts for accuracy. To truly understand the morning star pattern's accuracy, let's analyze historical charts. In these charts, you can clearly spot morning star patterns marking potential trend reversals. Following these patterns, the price is often embarked on strong uptrend reversals. We'll also explore examples from various markets, illustrating the pattern's reliability. In brief, morning star pattern is a bullish trend reversal pattern. It is a 3-candle pattern. The first candle is bearish. The second candle can be any color, but it should be doji or spinning top, which suggests indecision. The third candle is bullish. It is more effective when backed with higher volume. To summarize, the morning star pattern is a powerful signal for potential trend reversals. It signifies a shift from bearish to bullish sentiment. That concludes our lesson on the morning star pattern. Keep an eye out for this formation in your technical analysis for potential trend reversal opportunities. Thanks for watching.